Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful and super thankful that you're joining in for another unboxing video. Yes, you guys, we have a beautiful package here and I'm super excited to get into it. So if you want to know what's in this box, y'all, from the Happy Planner, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we're just gonna open it. Just gonna slice this baby up together. And this is exciting. I'm so excited. Okay. But I mean, I'm always excited about Happy Meal. Okay, y'all, so we're opening it up, and I'm trying to have y'all like angle. It's not like a big box, so I think we're good on the table. But ooh, y'all see Disney? Yes, we see Disney. We see Disney. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's the Disney box. Okay, so it says, "Let your dreams blossom." Blossom sounds like floral. Yep, it does. Y'all, they done put some florals to the Mickey stickers. We are, what? Okay. Let's open it up together. Ooh, y'all, look at it. Okay, we got a little Disney sticker here. This is a Be Happy box, y'all. And this is so exciting. I don't want to rip it. Okay, let me see if I can just slide you off, because like this paper looks like it can be used. I know y'all probably will be like, "Can you please rip that paper?" But I mean, you know, I don't be wanting to rip it. I want to save it, and I probably can use this because look, it's got like the little Disney like stamp embossed, like, well, I call it the embossing on things, but it's like their little background, so that'll be cute. Oh my goodness, y'all, it is floral. Look at this, you guys. It says Disney Life is Beautiful. And oh my goodness, you guys, it's floral Disney. Okay, so we got a lot of goodies in this box, y'all. So, okay, we're just gonna jump right into it. So, I'm gonna set that to the side. Oh, okay, it's packaged so nice. Okay. Oh, this is so nice. And it's, let's see. Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Oh, y'all, if I can get it open. Okay, so the first thing that I just pulled out is this planner band. Y'all, this is like perfect for like the spring, summertime. Look at it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's a different color, like from something we've seen before. So I like that. Okay, let's set that to the side. So what is this? This is like a, no, this is an embroidered sticker. Y'all, I mean, come on, that's cute, right? It's an embroidered sticker. Oh my goodness, cute. Okay, oh y'all, look at this super large, like this is a sticky notepad and it's big. Like it's the size of my head. And it's got all the florals around the Mickey. Okay, this is such a surprise, y'all. This is a surprise. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Okay, can we get into like the floral pouch with the little Mickey like oh my goodness. I like it when they come out with new stuff, y'all. So here's the inside, and it does have like this like gold, is it silver? No, this is gold hardware on it, but it's not like a yellow gold. It's like one of those, like, you know, old gold, rustic gold colors. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Look at it, y'all. Can y'all see that? Like, look at Mickey. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh my god. This is so cute, y'all. Like, it's like a watercolor type vibe. And if you're like me, you haven't like finessed the whole watercolor game, these are perfect. These are perfect for layering. So I like that look. So that's that one. And then we get some floral stickers. Oh, we got one. Like, oh, y'all, this is giving me such an idea. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, now I feel like I need to, like, I gotta do a spread, y'all. Like, this is so cute. Like, it's so unexpected. Oh my goodness. I really hope you, Bessies, I hope y'all love it. Okay, so here is a bookmark, and it says "Be Kind" on it, and it's in that same pattern as the pouch. Okay, and then we have a folder. Got lots of Mickey. Live life in full bloom. That's cute. Okay, and then it looks like we get like this vision board type thing that is normally in a companion pack. So, oh my goodness, I love that cover. Well, it's not cover, but it's the front part. And it has like goals, what makes me feel inspired, how can I achieve my dreams, that type of thing. And then we got like some, yeah, this is the second page. And so it just has like a lined page to it. It says "Never let go of your dreams." And then this one says "Stop and smell the wildflowers." Y'all, like, oh my goodness. Okay, and then I'm loving, oh, I like that. That's so nice. And it actually doesn't have Mickey on it, y'all. It just got like a floral detail, of course. And then it's just lined paper, front and back. Okay, there's Mickey. I was gonna say he gotta be on here somewhere, but yeah, y'all, look at this, and it's cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, next thing that I see is this. OMG. Wow. So they gave us some gold metal disc, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I kind of took this out all wrong, but can we get into this? Like, they're gold metal. I'm sorry, I hope they don't annoy y'all, but oh my god. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And y'all, they didn't even tell us they were doing this. This was just like, bam. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so cute. I know I probably have said that, but I love these. Oh, okay, I love those. Okay, I'm just gonna leave those out because, yes. Okay, and y'all, like, when I say this stuff is packaged nice, like, look at it. So here's our notebook. This is exciting, and it has the find joy in the journey, and it got Mickey and Minnie on the front, the floral detail, and we're just gonna pop it open because, I mean, that's what we do. That's what we do. Oh my goodness, this is such a surprise. Like, I love it. Okay, it says, "Let your dreams blossom." That's your front divider, first divider. This one says, "Stop and smell the wildflowers." And y'all, we just taking this right out the box, okay? OMG. Y'all, this is purple paper. Purple lined paper. So that's super nice. I love when they give us colored paper like that. And honestly, these are just great options for filler paper. Like, it does not have Mickey on it. Outside of the dividers, but there's no Mickey on the filler paper like that's in this notebook. So, wow. You can use that like for a lot of different things. In case if you're not into Disney, I mean, pick this up because, like, wow. Okay, so then you have little Mickey faces, and oh my goodness, he's so cute. And on this divider, I love that divider. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then it goes back to that purple. It's like a, is it lilac? Like a lilac color paper, I would say. Maybe lavender. I don't know. It's purple, y'all, to me. But that purple pinky color. So cute. And then that's the inside of it. So front, inside. Okay, y'all, I'm just so excited. Okay, I'm excited. Stay true to you. Mickey, you're precious, girl. You are precious. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, look at that, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Like, that is so beautiful. And then we just got that same paper in here. So that is super nice. And then here's the back cover. It says Plan a Happy Life. And it's just like a, almost, I kind of want to say like a spray color, like watercolor, but it's nice. I like it. And then here's the outside of the back cover. So yeah, y'all. So that's it for this box. And I mean, this is an awesome box. Like, this is cute. So we got a notebook. We got our vision board and some more filler paper. And this one actually is not, it's not purple, but it's like a, has a tint of blue to me. I don't know if that's just my eyes at the moment, but it does have like a little tint to it. So it's not a crisp white, but it's so pretty. I like that. Then we do have a folder. So just giving y'all a recap. Then we got a divider. So this will make like a cute little starter gift. So cute. Okay. Oh, I wish we had more stickers, y'all, because look at that. Look at this. Like, oh my goodness. But I can't wait to use them because I'm going to use them. And then we have our pouch, which is definitely cute. And then we got our little pen holder. And this just blew me away because this is something different, you know. And it's an embroidered sticker. And then we got our notepad. And then, of course, we got these babies. These beautiful metal discs that are like a true gold. They're not like a yellow gold, but like a true gold. And I just dropped it. But yes, y'all. And here's just a look back at the inside of the card. So yay! Please let me know what you guys are thinking in the bottom, like about this box. Like, are you a floral lover? Because if you love floral and Disney, then this box, and y'all know I love my florals, and I really do love Mickey. And so, like, yes. yes. I'm so grateful. Just thank you, Happy Planner, for surprising us. And I'm just super excited to hear everybody's thoughts and to see what everybody does with this box. And yeah, I have all the details. I don't believe we have a release date yet, but I'll have all the details below. What I do find, I'll put it in the comment. I'll like pin a little comment or something for information on this box in case you're interested in picking it up, and links and everything where you can get it. And yeah, y'all, so please, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends, and definitely let me know what you are thinking and how you're feeling, bestie, because like, oh my goodness, I was so surprised. All right, yeah, I love you guys. Thank y'all so much for being so sweet and so kind. And until next time, love ya. Bye.